What up, YouTube? Baseball 801 here. Got a nice mail day here. If anyone knows that address, it's from Topps. This should be from our first 6-box half case of Topps Pro Debut. I have the team list right here. Let's see who we got. Let's see who we got. Let's take a shot here. It does seem to be in a top loader. So. Number 6 of 139. Matt Latos. Very nice jumbo jersey. And that goes to the Padres. Let's find him. Oh, right here. Let's see. Spot number 23 was originally Techno Bailey, and he gave it to Ron. So there it is. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace.